So the whole of today, I'll be giving you guys highlights from last night's show of Flavour in London. It was absolutely a magical moment. A lot of African musicians were there. Trust me, Davido, Burna Boy, Chief Priest, a lot of people, Lotiwa Savage, a lot of people actually turned out massively. You could see how the whole of Ovo Arena was lighting up with people. Africans in UK all turned up massively. I did not know this show was going to turn out like this, but yes, it came out very, 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 very great. And yes, Lion Mark is here to give you guys all of the update. You could see Larry Gaga, you could see the video manager there, Asiaka, you could see Ubi Franklin. You should know that it was a shutdown. Enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe.
like the moon and the sun. She's worth more than gold. She's a precious woman. Like a little one in your car. She's a precious she's very strong, a woman of dignity. She you see what I want more than that. And I put a go address a carrier letter.